Hi everyone, this is Fairy Gandhi. I am an assistant teaching professor at Leeds and I will teach the Experiential Projects course for the MS Analytics programs in the spring semester. In this presentation, I'm going to give a high-level overview of experiential projects, how it works in our programs, some of the industry partners we have been engaging with, and discuss a few sample projects. Let's first understand what are some of the benefits of experiential learning. Experiential learning is what ties things together near the end of your program. You will take everything you learn throughout your MS Analytics programs to work on real-world business problems. And by working on real-world projects, you will not only gain practical, hands-on experience, but also add value to your resume. Another big part of experiential learning is the interactions you will have with stakeholders. You will work directly with the industry partners to understand their project goals and what their expectations are from you throughout the capstone project. Through these interactions, you will make valuable connections and grow your network. Third, you get to apply and showcase your skills. Our programs will teach you not just technical skills, but also problem-solving skills, critical thinking, how to be a better storyteller with data. And you can put all those skills into practice through experiential projects. Fourth, teamwork and collaboration. You will work in teams of 4 to 5 students per project. These collaboration skills are equally important as much as the technical skills. Together, as a team, you will learn how to plan a project, set milestones, divide responsibilities, and manage roadblocks along the way. Every team member will bring in a different perspective, so it lets you think creatively and critically. Now that we have seen some of the benefits of experiential projects, let me quickly walk you through how this course works in the analytics programs. Each student team will go through an end-to-end analytics lifecycle. First, the student teams will spend time understanding the business problem that needs to be addressed, while working with the industry partners to refine the problem statements. Next, you will be given access to companies' data to conduct preliminary data analysis and apply advanced analytical techniques. Often, you will also build an economic impact model or some form of financial impact analysis. And finally, you will share your findings and strategic recommendations directly with the stakeholders. Throughout the project, you will regularly meet with industry partners to discuss your progress and receive continuous feedback. Now, here are some key features of our experiential learning course that sets us apart. Each spring semester, we will bring multiple real-world projects into the classroom. Each project is unique and impactful in its own way. As students, you will get to choose projects that align with your individual interests and career goals. Every student will get the opportunity to work on 2 different projects within a semester. The first project will be during the first half of the semester, and the second will be in the later half. This will allow you to apply your skills to multiple business challenges within the semester. We recognize that our students come from diverse backgrounds and with varied career interests. So we ensure that the multiple projects we bring in come from different high-impact industries and businesses. We want you to get exposure to how various industries use analytics in their day-to-day work. Finally, in addition to classroom presentations, you will also showcase your work at Leeds Experiential Projects Expo, which will be at the end of the semester. You will get the opportunity to showcase your work to all the industry partners, Leeds faculty, and other students. The expo would be a great opportunity to build professional relationships too. Here is the list of companies we have been engaging with across several industries, such as healthcare, manufacturing, software development, etc. We have companies who are leaders in data storage and data management, like Spectralogic, Seagate Technology. Within healthcare industry, we have Intermountain Health, Pfizer, and University of Colorado Anschutz. Manufacturing companies like Hunter Douglas, Ultra Running, electronic hardware manufacturing like Arrow Electronics. We have companies from hospitality industry like Ramsay, Vail Resorts, and so on. And the interesting part is that many of the professionals we interact with at these organizations are graduates of our analytics programs. It's something we are really proud of. Our alumni have taken meaningful roles in these organizations, and now they are coming back to support the program, investing in the next generation in different ways, such as company visits or treks, hosting lunch and learns, mentoring students, and bringing in projects. This is not related to experiential projects, but our students had the opportunity to go to Salesforce and Danone. The picture on this slide is from the Salesforce visit. Students learned about the company's analytics work. The Salesforce team shared insights about career paths.